Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini Blue English Course di kantor saya sedang kedatangan tamu tiga orang dari Australia untuk praktek dengan murid-murid BEC. Take a look there.
Airport, and I have to fly to my work. Fly in an aeroplane to my work, and I work for 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks?
Yes. At work, and then I fly back to Darwin for 1 week holiday. Yes.
Now it's
You're doing
video live in
right.
my Facebook.
Oh.
Say hello today to my fans there.
Hello, everybody. How are you? My name's Damien.
Damien,
I'm from Darwin in Australia.
that's great.
Yep.
Ini tamu saya dari Darwin, Australia.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
That's all right.
Alright.
See ya.
Saya Hai, say hello.
Hello.
Nah, ini satu lagi ada cewek juga, ada perempuan. Love Facebook. Hi. What's your name?
Sharon.
Sharon. Where do you come from, Sharon?
From Australia.
Australia. Which
And it's-
part in Australia?
Originally from the Southern Highlands
Oh.
in southern New South Wales.
All right, that's great. Sharon
Yeah.
from Australia. Meet my students in Blue English Course.
Thank you for having me here.
All right, you're welcome, Sharon.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nah, ini ada satu lagi namanya Greg dari Australia juga. Alhamdulillah lumayan buat latihan buat teman-teman di Blue English Course, latihan berbicara bahasa Inggris.
For many years, Indomie in the supermarket. Yeah, easy.
Greg, say hello to my fans there on Facebook.
Hello,
What's your name?
Greg,
Oh, Greg. Where do you come from, Greg?
Australia,
Which part in Australia?
Darwin.
Darwin. Thank you very much, Greg.
Hello, thank you.
Say hello, guys. Inilah wajah-wajah melas. Alright, continue. Inilah pertemuan kita pada hari ini. Yuk.
And so, how long have you been here studying English? Yeah, how long have you
I
been?
just 1 month.
Really?
Yes,
Oh, you're very good.
yes. I just 2 months.
2 months for you?
Yes.
Yeah. And how long have you?
I am finished studying in basis.
Ah, right. Ah, very good. Excellent. 2 years? Yeah.
I finished studying.
Oh, you finished? Oh, you just come to hang out.
As I've got older, it's too hard on the back. Manual labour, hard work. Now in the office.
What is your hobby?
My hobby? I like mountain climbing.
Oh, your hobby is extreme.
Yeah. Snow skiing,
Your hobby is very cool.
swimming,
Oh, yeah.
a little bit of surfing.
So am I.
What do you say, jalan-jalan?
Jalan-jalan.
That's the only word I learned. Where? Walking. Yeah. Skateboard. What about you? What's your hobby? Swimming?
Football.
Football. Soccer? Football, soccer?
Soccer.
Soccer, yeah.
Soccer.
And I like to dance. Yeah. Yeah. Different styles, like ballroom dancing a little bit. Yeah. The Balinese traditional
What is
dancing.
your favorite singer?
My
Favorite singer? Singer.
My favorite singer.
Apa nih?
Oh gosh.
Nyanyi penyanyi singer. I'm sorry.
Singer. I love Robbie Williams.
Di William.
I love Pink.
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 Just give me a
Lady
reason.
Gaga.
You know song. Just give me a reason.
Yeah.
Just give me a reason. I like to. Yes.
What's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran. Love Ed Sheeran. Good choice.
Kau tahu perfect. I know perfect. Song perfect.
Perfect? Yeah.
Okay. I want
You see?
nyanyi ke.
Then if you play guitar.
Come on, sing together. Sing together.
Oh, okay. You start off.
Apa kau pengen? I forget, Mr. I'm sorry.
Oh no, I think it's alright.
No.
Ini dapat dua nanti sama kru.
Do you play instruments? Drums, guitar, anyone? Yes?
I play the drums
And guitar. Ah, I love the drums.
actually I use
Oh, that's good.
Continue, don't say hello.
Oh, look, the camera's on now. You better ask some questions. So you do you have speak English? Do your friends speak English as well? Like sometimes, yeah. And what about when you at home? At home, does anyone speak English at home?
I don't speak English in my home because in my home
Oh, ini kan gini kita di sini, lubang biasa itu.
about English.
Nanti saya lihat di Tokopedia Agung lagi di sana.
If I stay here, then maybe I can speak with my friend, with my teacher.
Oh, ada yang kasih
Now I practice with speaking English with him.
What you just said then was perfect.
Yes.
Oke, itu aja. Nanti video lengkapnya bisa tonton di Facebooknya Blue English Course. Oke.